Right. All right, so now we're gonna drill.
You drilling your car?
Yep. Oh, look at that. See, that's why I got the
fire emoji up inside the comments below, and
make sure you drop a fire emoji right after watching the series. So just drop a fire emoji. I appreciate it. Wouldn't you appreciate it? And make sure, if those ads are already up, make sure you've watched all of the ads. I appreciate it. Going forward, baby girl, we got to send baby girl to college. That's the college fund.
Huh?
Okay, never mind.
Why so serious? Let's get it, man. Lanes, made it. Serious lanes, serious lanes, serious lanes, serious, serious lanes, serious lanes, serious lanes, serious, serious lanes, serious, serious lanes, serious lanes. Subscribe now.
All right, guys, so we are going to be, now we in POV mode. POV mode. So first things first, I'm gonna line out all the tools that you guys need. This is gonna be like my first video where I'm lining out the tools. I think I got everything, but I'm gonna walk you through it first. So of course, this came from Downforce Solutions. So I have this for the decal backing. This is something that I added in there. You'll see at the end of the video. And then of course you need a riveter. I spoke of this in my last video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. And then of course you need a step bit. You need your drill bits, of course drill, of course all your equipment tools, a hole punch, actual punch to make sure that you get the lines for your drill bit starting out. And then of course, if you're working by yourself, which I'm always working by myself, I have some masking tape to make sure you hold the actual WickerBill itself. So first things first, what I want to do is I want to make sure, and hold on, don't talk about my toes. Now I know some of y'all toes don't look good either, so don't talk about my toes if you see my toes in the video. But we're gonna go ahead and degrease this area, because it will be, hold on, if I can get this thing working underneath here, because we want to make sure that we get all of any chemicals that's right here. And you see you got a little dirt there. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. All right, so first things first, you just want to make sure that you degrease this area. Because it's going to be sitting here, it's going to be like a permanent thing, so just for cleaning purposes. So I just used the degreaser, got this degrease. And next thing, you want to see where you want your WickerBill. Now, funny story is, I bought this WickerBill by mistake, because I bought this is for the Demon spoiler, the performance spoiler. So originally I didn't have this spoiler, I had the regular Hellcat spoiler or whatnot. So this was a lot of money. So so I couldn't turn back. So we're gonna go ahead and tape this joker up. So I'm gonna try to do it on my own without asking the old lady. I just want to make sure it's even. Dang, this thing is huge. Look at this. This thing is huge. Oh yeah, this thing. All right, so we're gonna put some tape around here. I'll tape this joker up. So we need this thing to hold its position. All right, let's see what we got here. That look like that's about even. Hope that's about even. Steven. I'm just eyeballing it for right now. Oh yeah, this thing sticks way much out. Yeah. tape right there. This thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. Sheesh. Yeah, try and do it on your own. Sheesh. I don't know if my tape method is gonna work. I thought I figured it out, but that don't seem to be the case. Oh, because that's actually scratching the paint, so I need to come up with it. So, looks like the tape method is not gonna work, so this is not gonna work. So I need to figure out another way to get this thing on there. Yep. All right, guys. So, are we on? All right, we on. I'm just making sure I look at you guys. So, as you see, I got my daughter in the background. I couldn't do it by myself. I went on ahead and just said, man, you know what? Let me just use an extra hand. It helps if you have an extra hand. I just want to make sure it's even, Steven, straight. So what I did was I went on ahead and put a actual guiding line with the tape that you guys see. And now we're going to dress it up. So we're gonna dress it up just to eyeball it. So what I'm gonna need from you, babe, is I'm gonna need for you to actually hold that side. So come on. So you're gonna hold on, be gentle. You gotta be gentle. You don't wanna scratch it, baby. You don't wanna scratch it, baby. You don't wanna scratch it, baby.
Was this kind of like that?
Oh wait, we gotta make sure that right there. Okay. So get your other hand back. So hold it right there. Yeah. So just hold it right there. That's fine. That's fine. Put your other hand right here. Here, baby. No, you gotta make sure that this don't come down. So this needs to be up, like right there. Okay. And then we gotta come down a little bit. We wanna make sure that this line right here is at least right down there. So come down a little bit, right there. Yeah. So that's why that guiding tool is there. Then I gotta come up on mine. Actually mine kind of shifted a little bit. Okay. So that's a little bit down. How you looking over there? How does that look? Let me see. That looks okay? Okay. Yeah, it kind of does. Okay. All right. Shift a little bit to the right. Right there. Right there. All right. Come up a little bit. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is, now that I have my helping helper, I'm gonna use some measuring tape because I just want to make sure that it's even. So you got it, babe? So don't try not to move it. I know I moved a little bit. So it's about 2.5 right there. Just hold it, babe. That's fine. Just hold it. I'm trying to see if I can do something. All right, hold on. Just hold it, baby. Just hold it, baby. Just hold it, baby. All right, what's that say? Around 2.5, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take my baby word for it. What you say?
2.5, almost 3.
Almost 3? Okay. All right, we're gonna go like that. Okay. Pray for me, baby. Ooh. So now that we have our punched holes, now all we have to do is just use our drill bits. So we're gonna get the drill bit going. Right. All right, so now we're gonna drill.
You drilling your car?
Yep. Oh, look at that. See, that's why I got the, that's why I put that right there. Ooh. You see that? Oh man, move that tape, baby. All right, there we go. All right, and then now we're going to get the knife out. Knife out so we can open up this bad boy.
That's what you use.
Yeah, it's for open thing. and if I have to do anything else. I can't tell you, it's a secret.
That's just plain telling you don't know.
Oh, okay. Whatever you want to say, baby. Whatever you want to say, baby. All right, so now we're gonna use a step up. We're gonna use a step up. I think I probably, yeah, we're gonna use a step up. So we're gonna probably go to 3/8. I think maybe 3/8 would be good. So if you're not for sure, just go to your actual deal. Over there, we can go to a quarter. Around 5/16. I'm gonna try it here. All right, so around 5/16. All right, so once we got, no, don't worry about it, baby. Don't worry about it. I gotta wash the car anyway. Don't worry about it. All right, so once we have these bad boys lined out, we check to make sure every hole fits. Next thing is getting your rivet gun. So we're gonna get the rivet gun. All right, then we gotta figure out which one we need to put on here to screw, which I think it might be, it's the one that they got on there. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah, if it has red on there. All right, so now we're gonna put the rivet in there itself. See if I know to use these. Whew, we're gonna see. All right, let's see. We're gonna try to put this thing in there. See if it worked. Voila. Ha. Voila. See that? Wow. You see that, guys? So hand me all those other rivets back. Right. What is
Much later.
All right, guys, so here we are. We have the WickerBill, the Wang. Kind of can see the comparison. So we got that Wang installed. So in person, this thing is like huge. as you see, this is yellow, so of course I need another tone to offset that big yellow, right? Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? Mm-hmm. Oh my God. What do you think?
I like it.
What do you like about it?
The yellow and the red.
So the yellow and the red, right? So you guys can see the actual rivets itself is red. This is a reflective red. So when you're behind me, you see this thing, you like, whoo, look at that wine. Look at that wine. Why so serious? And then of course they got the signature Downforce right there. So remember, I said I want to save this for the end of the video. So what this is going to do is, you see my rear diffuser. This thing is very aggressive. So that's where my second yellow is going to go to offset it as far as comparison. It's literally going to ride on the line, not this, but this right here is going to line up on the actual line or edges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the car, because I'm gonna do a detailed video, because I have some overspray. So stay tuned for that video, and check out this actual install. So one thing that I'm gonna show you guys is things happen for a reason, right? So look at that detail in that. If that don't match, what does? Look at that. Sheesh. Perfect match. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hold on, let me put on myself. I appreciate you for watching. Are you gonna close out the video? I gotta clean the garage now. That's what we're doing tomorrow. After I come back. Yep. Oh, you looking like that? Yep. Okay, you gonna close out the video? Close out the video. Ooh.
Subscribe. Like. Put a why so serious in the comments and put a fire button.
Fire button? Really?
Fire emoji, I think.
You're doing it wrong. How you gotta do it?
I think you say make sure to subscribe.
How do I do the fire?
Put a fire emoji up in the comments below and
Make sure you drop a fire emoji right after Watch So Serious. So just drop a fire emoji. I appreciate it. Wouldn't you appreciate it? And make sure, if those ads are already up, make sure you've watched all of the ads. I appreciate it. Going forward, baby girl, we got to send baby girl to college. That's the college fund. Okay, never mind. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you for watching. Stay serious, stay motivated. Hey, at the end of the day, you guys can do anything in the world. Make sure you go to smapparel.net and order you some hats. Support the brand, support the movement. The mindset is real. You can accomplish anything, and I'm showing it right now. Like, oh, as far as details as well, one major thing before we go. So you can see the original screws. Give me one of those screws back. So you can see these are the screws that came with Downforce, and I went to Ace Hardware to get the other screws. Of course, they're longer. They have a little bit more bite. This is a loose one, so I got to figure out what's going on with the actual rivet in this one. But everything else, I just dropped that one. Everything else is tight. As you see, SeriousMindset is the brand, but I wanted to make sure that I complement the black instead of the silver. The only silver that you're gonna see is on this car, not the actual screws. So at the end of the day, guys, I appreciate you for watching. Stay motivated, stay serious. Why so serious?
Let's get it, man.